दीवार के ऊपर बैठी है अब दीवार गिर जाएगा।
नहीं गिरेगी, ये अंबुजा सीमेंट से जो बनी है।
ओह तुम खाली हो क्या?
Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamat's Vlogs, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's a new day here in Goa. Today is day 4 of Goa series. Today we are staying in Tamarind Hotel and in Anjuna, and we are going to Chapora Fort, which is close by, about 10 minutes from here. Begin the video. This is my outfit of the day. This is our room's balcony. Here. This is my outfit of the day. This is Guruji's outfit of the day. Nice shirt and nice shorts. We came to this Udupi Navagraha Asagaon Hotel for breakfast. This is the upma with sambar chutney. Upma's taste is good. It's nice. Udupi Navagraha. This is puri bhaji. They have given copper glass, copper cup, saucer. Nice. This is filter coffee. This restaurant Udupi Navagraha was very good. Finally, authentic Udupi styled dosa we ate, because here everywhere else dosa's batter was sour. It was huli, what you call sour. So it was bad. I mean, all dosas were tasting bad wherever we ate. This place was finally the good hotel, and all food, everything was tasting good. So great. I'd recommend this if you are in Anjuna. This is a great spot to have breakfast. And we reached Chapora Fort. We were parking here somewhere. We had come here 2 days back. At 5 o'clock we had reached here. It said it was closed. So reach here in the morning itself, come here. It's hot, but yeah, it closes at 5. They won't allow you to go inside at all. This is that parking. We parked much before this. This is all paid parking. God knows how much they charge. Now you have to climb and go and reach the top. The top is that point there. That is the fort. Trek this way. Walk and go and then climb some more steps. मुझे उठा के लेके जाओ, मुझे उठाओ.
मैं खुद नहीं जा पा रहा इसको उठा के ले
उठा के लेके जाओ यार. इतना ही प्यार है क्या तुम्हें? हैं?
हाँ इतना ही प्यार.
ఎంత వస్తే మరి. So many shops were here when we came last time in December, no? So many. They're all closed now. All shops are closed. They were selling earrings, bracelets, anklets, dream catchers, so many things. Now nothing is there. After trekking so much again, there was many steps we had to climb and go. Oh God. ये सीढ़ियाँ तो खत्म ही नहीं हो रही भाई. That some shopkeeper was saying, take water bottle and go. There are 120 steps it seems. Prepare yourself well and come. There's a lot to climb, but the view is all worth it. This is where Amir Khan's Dil Chahta Hai movie, Amir Khan, Saif Ali Khan and Akshay Khanna's iconic Dil Chahta Hai song was shot. Their trip from Mumbai to Goa by car. And finally, we reached Chapora Fort. At least there is some good breeze here. That's the only highlight. Oh my god. Oof. Hot. Too hot. See, this is that spot where they sat. What is that? This is that Dil Chahta Hai.
थोड़ा पीछे जाओ, थोड़ा सा हाँ हाँ, डरो मत, तुम नहीं गिरोगी, तुम इतना हल्का नहीं हो। ये पे ये दीवार के ऊपर बैठी है, अब दीवार गिर जाएगा।
नहीं गिरेगी, ये अंबुजा सीमेंट से जो बनी है।
ओह, तुम खाली हो क्या?
So good for clicking pictures. You come, you click pictures where that movie shooting happened, Dil Chahta Hai, song shooting, and then here and all you can stand because that side is the sea. See, that side is the ocean. There, that is the ocean. So you can get a nice view, cool breeze. The view and the breeze and all. You won't feel hot. You'll just feel the heat. But there's good breeze, so that's compensating. There's no entry fees to Chapora Fort. It closes at 5, opens at 10 a.m. and there's entry. While you enter the fort, there's a security guard. He'll ask you to make entry, give your phone number, name, in time. Basically they want your in time and out time, so to check, maybe to maintain records. Oh, see here. Wow. See, the beach is here. Oh, someone is doing parasailing over there. Point is a good viewpoint, but here it is lot of circus to climb. I think the folks climbed from there. One guy is going now. It's easy to climb there. But here if you climb it's lot of circus. But there you can easily climb and get down. Like this circus you have to do and come, and very narrow. Like this circus you have to do and sit. Be careful. See the viewpoint, the river is meeting the sea over there. Show you the tan, see the difference. And we came and sat here to get this view. Guys, ये अलग अलग पोजीशन में बैठ के मेरे से फोटो खिंचवा रहा है, नौटंकी. He's acting as if he's meditating and thinking I'm clicking picture and clicking his video. Bakra. Just because he got a nice location to sit, he's just taking advantage of it. We are leaving from here. Now we are going back to room, Hotel Tamarind in Anjuna, and we'll check out the room. Checkout is at 12 o'clock. We requested for another half an hour, 1 hour extension. Next room, stay for today night is Kalangut, Olive by Mira. Our scooter, and this is our rider, our scooter Fasino. And in Goa there are a lot of Fasinos. See, Fasino. This is also Fasino, this is also Fasino. Fasino, that is also Fasino. And this is the hotel, rooms available, the Tamarind. And they have a cafe also. Cafe Kotinga. I'll show you the cafe. That's the bar. This is their cafe coating. These are the seats. We reached Kalangut area. See, this area has a different vibe. Everywhere, lot of shops, and this hotel. This is our hotel, Olive by Mira. And this is that road from here. Tito's Lane is pretty close by. They have no parking. You have to park like this only. Bookshelf. There's a bookshelf for readers, and then here you have stairs for upper floors. This is the area for having breakfast tomorrow morning, I think. And here comes the best part of the property, the swimming pool. Wow. And it's covered with so many plants and greens. Wow, it's simply clean and beautiful. This property has a pool also. I didn't expect. Wow. Pool water looks good. Don't know if it's hot or how is the story. No, it's not hot, it's cold. Olive by Mira Kalangut. ये टेबल है, ये है हमारा मिरर, अच्छा खासा मिरर है, नाइस. ये है wardrobe. So big ass bed, also nice bed, lot of space. And here baby chair, bathroom, commode, washroom. Good. That's it. Nice room. And oh yeah, nice painting and all. Nice. Now we'll lay down for some time, have lunch. We'll look around for lunch. And the best part about Kalangut is all restaurants are close by, so you can find any restaurant. You can you can go out and eat. There are walkable distance restaurants are. So anywhere we'll go and eat. And yes, here I want to use the swimming pool. They have an attached restaurant here. The restaurant closes at 2:30. It's 2:15 now. So we'll quickly eat here only jeera rice and some curry. And then go to Para Road, where that love you zindagi was shot. That's Coconut Tree Road. Here is the food. This is jeera rice. This is some manchuri. And this is dal. What was the charge?
580.
580 for paneer manchurian, dal and jeera rice. The taste was good. That's it for this video. You watched some pictures which we clicked in Chapora Fort, and let's end this video here. In the next video, I will meet you in the Para Road. If you're new, please do subscribe, and if you like the video, please hit that like button and do write sweet comments in the comment section. I'll pin the first comment. Until then, take care. Bye. See you. Jai Shri Krishna.